everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Devine and today I'm going to be showing you how to put in a hair clip so that it stays secure. So what we're going to do is we're going to part our hair into two sections just above the ear, and we're going to take that top section and we're going to twist it a couple times, and then that bottom section we're going to twist just a couple times as well, and then we're going to twist them together in the opposite direction, almost like we're starting a rope braid, but we're only going to twist them about 3 times, and then we're going to pull it up and put the clip in. And then of course we're going to spread the hair out, but this is going to be a much more effective way rather than twisting all the hair at once. By taking those two sections, it's going to make it much more secure. As you see here, I'm going to shake my head a little bit and you're going to be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. It's going to stay a whole heck of a lot better than just twisting your hair all at once. So I hope this all helps you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.